Hello students, so we are back with the videos of class 11th mathematics, and today we'll continue with our chapter which is relation and function, which we have started in the last few videos, right? So we have already learnt about the concept of Cartesian product and relations. But today we'll talk about what is a function. So function is a relation itself. Function is a relation in which every pre-image has a unique image. Please pay attention, this is very important, that every function is a relation, but with a restriction. What is the restriction? In which every pre-image has a unique image in the second set. For example, अगर आप इस एरो डायग्राम की तरफ देखें, सो ए की यहां पे दो इमेजेस हैं, A1, A2. A is the pre-image and 1 and 2 are the images of the same element. So this might be a relation. This is a relation, of course, but this is not a function. Why this is not a function? Because A has two different images in the second set. But what is a function? Function is a relation in which every pre-image must have a unique image. Right? For example, if we consider this relation, so 1 has image A, 2 has image A, 3 has image B. So every pre-image has a unique image only, has single image only. 1 की एक ही इमेज है, 2 की भी एक ही इमेज है, वो बात अलग है कि वो इमेज कॉमन है. दैट इज पॉसिबल, लेकिन एक प्री-इमेज की एक ही इमेज है. पिछले फंक्शन की तरह तो नहीं है ना, राइट? पिछले रिलेशन की तरह नहीं है. सो दिस इज अ फंक्शन, ऑफ कोर्स. So I hope you are getting the basic of the function that every pre-image should have a single image in the second set. दो images exist नहीं कर सकती. You can consider these as the inputs and outputs, कि एक input से आपको दो different outputs नहीं मिलने चाहिए. That is not feasible also. That is not possible also, कि एक input से आपको दो different outputs मिल रहे हैं. In that case it will not be a function. But दो different inputs से आपको एक common output मिल सकता है. इसको मैं कुछ और एग्जाम्पल से क्लियर ऑफ करना चाहूंगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई से दैट एक्स स्क्वायर इज माई फंक्शन, सपोज, राइट? सो इफ आई गिव इनपुट -2 टू इट विल गिव मी 4. अगर 2 इनपुट देता हूं तब भी 4 मिलेगा, राइट? सो दो डिफरेंट इनपुट से मेरे को एक कॉमन आउटपुट मिल रहा है. सो दिस इज अ फंक्शन. And I know this is a polynomial also, because by previous concept I know x square is a polynomial. So this is a function also, because दो different inputs का एक common output जो है that is allowed. But if I consider root x, that was not even considered as a polynomial, if you remember, because variable की power fraction या negative polynomial नहीं माने जाती. And in terms of function, if I understand, if I give input 4 in the x, so I will get two different outputs. I can get different outputs. So this is not a function. This kind of relation is not a function. Right? So I hope you are able to relate it from the past knowledge. जिसमें कि ये polynomial भी नहीं था. This is a polynomial. This is a function. This is not a polynomial. This is not a function even. Right? So I will discuss today some types of functions. And before going to types of functions, हमें यह भी समझना होगा कि जस्ट लाइक रिलेशन, एवरी फंक्शन कैन हैव इट्स डोमेन, रेंज एज वेल एज कोडोमेन, जस्ट लाइक अ रिलेशन, राइट? फंक्शन की भी अपनी डोमेन हो सकती है, विच इज द सेट ऑफ ऑल एलिमेंट्स विच आर बिलोंगिंग टू द फर्स्ट सेट एंड आर पार्ट ऑफ रिलेशन. रेंज इज द सेट ऑफ ऑल दोज एलिमेंट्स विच आर द पार्ट ऑफ रिलेशन एंड बिलोंगिंग टू द सेकेंड सेट. एंड कोडोमेन is simply the set of all those elements which are the part of second set. Doesn't matter they are the part of relation or not, right? So this we have discussed in the previous videos. So we can talk about the domain, range of the various functions also. So types of functions, we have this first function which is called as constant function. Constant function किस फॉर्म में होता है? y is equals to c. This is a constant function. So why constant function? We can see the graph. It remains constant throughout the domain. Whatever input I give it to this function, I will get the same answer, always c. That's why the name constant function, right? So domain is R because I can put any value. I can give any input to the x, though x is not there, but still I can give input to the function. But irrespective of the domain, irrespective of the value of x, the answer will remain c only. It will give me a single answer which is c only. That's why constant function. So range is a set which is c, element containing c, and domain is R, right? Then we have linear function. Linear function is a form of function like y is equal to mx plus c, and we understand that it is a straight line function. Linear function means straight line function. So it is very obvious that the domain will be R because I can give it any value to the x. There is no restriction. The range will also be R because we can get any value in terms of y. In terms of y means कि y की कोई भी value आ सकती है यहाँ पे, right? So domain is R, range is also R. Linear function. और linear function का ही एक और example है, that is called as identity function. So y is equals to x is called as identity function. So it is a straight line that passes through the origin, obviously. And why identity? Because all the elements will be in the form of a comma a. You put 1, you are getting 1. You put 2, you are getting 2. You put 3, you are getting 3. Put -1, you are getting -1. Right? So same value you are getting. That's why the word identity. So it's a linear function only. Domain and range both are R. Okay. Then we have polynomial function. So what is a polynomial function? It is in the form of this: y is equals to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus up to ... up to an xn. So obviously x के powers वाले functions को हम polynomial functions कहते हैं. Linear function is also an example of polynomial function only. It can be considered as a polynomial, obviously, but we can consider it for the higher powers like quadratic, cubic and so on, right? So it is very understood कि फंक्शन के हिसाब से, पावर के हिसाब से ग्राफ होगा, कोई स्पेसिफिक ग्राफ नहीं हो सकता पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन का. डोमेन विल रिमेन आर, यू कैन पुट एनी वैल्यू, नो रेस्ट्रिक्शन. रेंज विल रिमेन आर बिकॉज यू कैन पुट एनी वैल्यू, यू कैन गेट एनी वैल्यू, राइट? Then we have a rational function called rational function. Any function in the form of fx upon gx is a rational function, and obviously it is not a polynomial function. We understand it. It is not a polynomial function. It is different from this. So we can talk about a typical rational function. For example, y is equal to 1 upon x. This is a typical rational function. Correct? But this comes with a restriction. What is the restriction? I cannot put 0 in the x. Right? So that's why the domain remains r minus 0. Domain remains r minus 0 because I cannot put 0. Except 0 I can put any value here. And as a range I will get the same answer. That I cannot get 0 also as the answer. I cannot get 0 as the answer. Except 0 I can get any answer here. Right? So range is also same. So for today I will stop myself here. And in the next video I will discuss some more types of functions and will learn how to find domain and range of some few important functions. So till then, please revise these concepts, complete your pending work, and stay connected with the online classes also if possible, so we can clear our doubts. So be happy always. अपना ध्यान रखिए घर पे, and thank you so much.